everybody, Brian from Cabinet Joint. Today we're talking about a under drawer base pull-out unit. This isn't going to be so much of an assembly video, that's what you came here for, but I'm going to immediately refer you to the video in the description below that shows the installation of this exact same unit but in a full door cabinet. The installation is no different, so it's really no sense in having a separate video. I'm going to refer you there. What I'm going to do in this video is just talk about some of the differences and some things to watch out for. First thing we ran into on this installation, which I do not believe we talked about in the other video, is it's a 27-inch deep cabinet. That's the max depth you're going to be able to put this in. We had to move the bracket on the rear. When you watch the full assembly video, you'll see there's a vertical bracket on the back that keeps this thing vertically tilted correctly, and 27 is as deep as you'd want to go. So be aware of that. If you're trying to go deeper, this pullout will not work. It's available in 9 and 12-inch cabinets, which would mean a 6 or 9-inch opening. So this is a 12-inch box with a 9-inch opening. You can vary it because there's these tabs. If you watch the other video, there's some tabs that slide in and out that allow you to grab the frame on the door. So let's just say this was a 14-inch wide cabinet. You could still use this unit. It's just going to have a lot of space right here, and your tabs will be way out to catch the edge of the door. So be mindful of getting too big where these sliding brackets will not allow you to mount the door to the unit. So another nuance to the assembly I want to bring to your attention is because there's a drawer up here and you have to do a lot of reaching down inside the cabinet, I would pop this drawer all the way out and set it off to the side. Keep the inside of the cabinet free and clear for you to move around, because that rear bracket back there has to be mounted to the cabinet wall and you want to be able to access it from above. This would be a very difficult unit to install once countertop is on, and having to work through the opening only would be a much more difficult unit to install. So keep that top open and keep your drawer out of there. Aside from that, gang, it's the same exact pull-out installation as you're going to see in the other video I referred you to. If you have any questions, always call your cabinet coach. They'll be happy to help you out. We do like these units because of this feature right here. They do not, I mean, the cabinet's wiggling, but this unit is locked in because of that top rail that goes back and mounts to the cabinet back. This cannot twist, so when I shut it, my gap always remains consistent and the door can't move, especially in an inset application, and actually strike your front frame. It's locked in place. So it's a great unit. Both the full door version and this under drawer unit are great options for storage. So we hope this helps. Give us a call if we can answer any questions for you. Thanks for watching.